Welcome, chosen ones. Today, we're diving into the 10 special powers that God has given you. If you've felt different, if you've sensed a calling beyond the ordinary, then this message is for you. Have you ever felt different? As if you were meant for something greater than what this world tells you? You are not imagining things. You are not alone. You are one of the chosen ones. A chosen one is not just a person. It is a soul with a divine mission. Some call it destiny. Others call it purpose. But make no mistake, this is not a coincidence. You were set apart before you were even born. How do you know if you are a chosen one? The signs are everywhere, but only those with spiritual vision can see them. Chosen ones feel different from a young age. They don't quite fit in. They walk a path that others cannot understand. And though their journey is often lonely, it is filled with purpose. Being chosen does not mean an easy life. In fact, it is quite the opposite. The road is hard, full of trials, full of storms, but those who are chosen are given strength beyond measure. Pain is not your punishment. It is your training. You were not meant to blend in. You were meant to stand out. You were meant to rise, even when everything around you tries to pull you down. Now, ask yourself, do you feel it? That calling deep inside your soul? The feeling that you were born to do something extraordinary? If so, it's because you are one of the chosen ones. Embrace your path. You are ready. Every chosen one carries divine gifts, powers that set them apart. These aren't mere talents, but sacred abilities given by a higher force. Today, we unveil the 10 special powers that you, as a chosen one, must recognize and embrace. Power 1. Spiritual vision. You don't just see the world as it is, you see beyond it. Your spiritual vision allows you to perceive energies, signs, and truths that others overlook. You may experience vivid dreams, déjà vu, or strong gut feelings that guide you. Trust these messages. They are divine whispers meant to protect and lead you. Power 2. Unbreakable faith. When trials come, others may fall into doubt, but you remain steadfast. Your faith is your shield. No matter how dark the path, you walk forward, knowing that you are being guided. This unshakable belief grants you strength beyond measure. Power 3. Healing energy. Your presence alone is healing. Whether through touch, words, or silence, you bring peace to those who are hurting. People feel safe with you. They open up, release their burdens, and walk away lighter, even if they don't understand why. This is a sacred gift. Use it wisely. Power 4. Resistance to evil. Darkness may try to reach you, but it cannot consume you. Evil forces sense your light and either flee or attempt to break you. But they always fail. No curse, no manipulation, no deception can overpower the one who walks in divine truth. Power 5. Divine protection. How many times have you escaped danger without knowing how? You've been shielded in moments when harm should have touched you. This is divine intervention. You are protected because your mission is not yet complete. Power 6. Wisdom beyond your years. People often tell you that you are wise beyond your years. This is because you carry knowledge from past lives, divine downloads, and an innate understanding of the human soul. You see beyond the surface, grasping lessons others take lifetimes to learn. Power 7. Magnetic influence. You don't chase attention. It finds you. Your energy is powerful, and others feel it even before you speak. Some admire you, some envy you, but all are drawn to you. This is because you carry an aura that speaks of purpose, authenticity, and divine power. Power 8. ability to endure suffering. Pain is not your weakness, it is your teacher. You have endured storms that would have destroyed others, yet here you are, stronger, wiser, unbreakable. Your suffering has molded you into a warrior, a beacon of light in a dark world. Power 9. Power to uplift others. Your words carry weight. Your presence shifts energies. You may not always realize it, but simply by being yourself, you inspire those around you. You remind people of their strength, their purpose, their worth. Power 10. Manifestation abilities. When you speak with belief, the universe listens. Your words, thoughts, and intentions hold power. You do not just wish, you create. The life you desire is within reach, shaped by your faith and action. Speak life, and life will follow. These powers are not coincidences. They are signs of your calling. Embrace them, refine them, and walk boldly in your purpose. You are a chosen one. Now that you know the 10 special powers granted to chosen ones, the next step is understanding how to activate them. These powers are not just given. They must be nurtured, refined, and embraced. Let's go deeper into the 3 essential steps to unlocking your full potential. The first step is acceptance. Many chosen ones spend years denying their gifts, feeling out of place, or questioning their purpose. But the moment you accept that you are different, that you have a higher calling, you unlock the first door to your power. You may have noticed that you think differently, feel deeply, or sense things before they happen. These are not coincidences, they are signs. Instead of resisting them, lean into them. Trust that you were created for a reason. The second step is to build your connection with the divine. Your gifts come from a higher source, and to use them fully, you must remain aligned with that source. How do you strengthen this connection? Through prayer, meditation, fasting, and spending time in solitude. The more you remove distractions, the clearer your purpose becomes. Your intuition sharpens. Your energy strengthens. The universe, God, or whatever you believe in, is always speaking to you. The question is, are you listening? The final step is action. Knowing you are chosen is not enough. You must walk in that knowledge with confidence. Speak with authority. Move with purpose. The more you step into your power, the more the world will recognize it. Remember, your journey will not always be easy. People may misunderstand you. Some may even fear you. But chosen ones are not meant to fit in. We are meant to stand out, to lead, to guide. So, start today. Embrace your power. Step into your destiny, because the world is waiting for you. If this message spoke to you, it's because you are ready. The time for doubting is over. The time for stepping into your greatness has come. You've just learned about the 10 special powers that God has given to His chosen ones. But knowing them is not enough. Now, you must embrace them, activate them, and walk boldly in your divine purpose. You may have felt different all your life, like you don't belong. People misunderstand you. Challenges test you. But let me tell you something. This is not a mistake. It is preparation. You were never meant to fit in because you were meant to stand out. Every chosen one throughout history faced resistance. They were doubted, ridiculed, and even persecuted. But they didn't give up. They stepped fully into their purpose, and the world was never the same again. And now, it's your turn. Your powers will not activate automatically. You must cultivate them. Pray daily. Meditate in stillness. Read, learn, and seek wisdom. Surround yourself with high vibrations. Let go of negativity and distractions. Step into alignment with your true calling. Your journey won't be easy. There will be obstacles. There will be tests. But remember, God does not call the weak. He calls the strong, and He walks with you every step of the way. Chosen one, it is time to rise. You were born for this moment. Step into your power. Embrace your destiny. Shine your light so that others may find their way. If this message resonated with you, it's because you were meant to hear it. Now, take action. Join this journey with us. Like this video if you feel the energy. Comment below. Tell me, do you feel the power within you? And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we are just getting started. You are not alone, and this is only the beginning. Stay strong, stay faithful, and remember, you are chosen.